app, Learn Lecture. Learn Lecture is a mobile application designed to help students prepare for their external exams, including WAEC, NECO, and JAM. The primary aim of the app is to assist students in both science and arts fields to perform better in their exams by providing them with various tools and resources. So this is our splash screen. Access you can access our homepage after clicking getting started. Community interaction, guidance, support, exam preparation resources. Click on community interaction. You can connect with your community and people around you. If you click on guidance and support, you can see counselors and mentors. If you click on exam and preparation, past question videos on science practicals. If you click on past question, you can see WAEC, NECO, JAM videos on science, practical biology, physics, and chemistry. So in creating our app, we use the MIT App Inventor. So this was the back end of our app. So these were the codes we used in developing our app. Thank you.